Don't you think you're snagged?
God, I feel like
Hey! 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 Hey!
I got that.
You got a bass!
Come on, come
Get her
on,
in
come
here.
on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Woo! Nice bass there, Tucker.
Okay.
Grab him right here. Real hard. Nice. We're on spring break, catching bass, eating cookies. Could it get any better? When you feel tension on your line, jerk it. Not as high. There you go, perfect, perfect. Yeah. See, you gotta make that thing dance around, and if it's just sitting there, fish will look at it. He's getting too good to look at it, but when you jerk it around, he's thinking, well, that thing's alive. I better eat it before something happens. You ever seen a young Christy critter? Sounds good enough to eat, doesn't it? What we're gonna fish with now. Always hold the hook right here at the end. Then you hold the end of it in between your two fingers.
And you pierce it.
You pierce it. Then you pull it back through and move it down on the edge. You ever thrown a Carolina rig? Got a weight up here, little leader. Drag the crispy critter along the bottom. It bounces up. Fish think it's a little crawdad. They grab it. That's what we're gonna go try now. Just sit and hold that thing and drag it real slow.
Like when I was doing this.
Yeah, don't do much anything. Remember, use your finger.
I know.
You remember.
I know everything.
I know that. Wish you'd tell me where these fish are. This is one of the first places on the lake that fish come up to spawn. See, they come to these points and locate and hunt food, and then they go back to spawn in these big pockets called spawning pockets. And we're trying to trick them into biting. We're trying to think we got a plastic crawdad. Did somebody trick you into eating something you didn't want to eat? Getting better, a little better.
I thought it really wasn't an M&M, and they said it's an M&M.
But it was a green pea?
Yeah, it was a sweet pea. You got it?
It's huge. Tucker, can you net it for me? Put the net in the water.
Okay. Lift it up.
Lift it up, please. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Come on up. Come on up. Come on. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Good job, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's the biggest of the day.
You gonna look at it? It's bigger than you. That's a big largemouth. See how the mouth is?
Yeah.
See the green stripes?